Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now we have recently started a free Telegram group for our YouTube channel subscribers. The group includes a lot of like-minded individuals which can help you with cutting your investment mistakes. You can go ahead and get your queries answered to the group, share information, and also be updated with any stock market information at the earliest. The link for the groups is present in the pinned comment and also in the description of the video. We have also created our first Android app, the link for which is also present in the description of the video. Now in this video, we'll be talking about a fundamentally strong penny stock where a promoter group entity has recently bought 18 lakh shares on September 8. Please watch this video to know more about this company. Now the company in question is Trident Limited, which is available at Rs 6.70 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is TRIDENT. Now Trident Capital was the promoter entity which acquired 18 lakh shares of this particular company through open market purchases. Now Trident Limited engages in the manufacture, marketing and distribution of yarn, terry towels, paper and chemicals. The company was founded by Rajinder Gupta on April 18, 1990 and is headquartered in Ludhiana, India. Other than the period during the corona lockdown, this company has been flat almost throughout the entire year. The market cap of the company is 3,414.29 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 0.45 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 14.89, which is much more expensive when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 9.65. The price to book ratio of 1.13 is however reasonable. Now the company has a fabulous dividend yield of 5.37%, whereas the promoter holding is also a very strong number at 71.07%. None of the promoters holding is pledged. Return on equity for this company, however, is a bit subdued at 0.1134. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.